Well, Jared and I are coming home to a little house surprise, and I'm very excited.
Oh,
it looks so fresh.
Ellie, look at that.
Well, when you run out of food, you go to April and Davies. We have ate a lot of your food this morning. The kids are racing. Jackson and Ender are down there racing, and that's what they've been doing all morning. They race from here to the fire hydrant and back. Okay, as we sit here and watch Daddy and Davy figure out all of our hose stuff, I want to ask you, what was your favorite part about our trip?
Bouncing up on the ball trampoline.
Oh, using Davy's bounce toy, that was really fun. What was your favorite part about the trip? Playing? Yeah, I think so too. That was my favorite part too. Look at this place. That looks cute to eat at. So I think that's just what we will do.
Yeah.
And you come in and this is what it looks like. This is such a cute place. Look at all the fresh flowers. So fun. This is called the Main Street Social. They have a cute area out there. Well, lunch was amazing. Kids were crazy. Everyone was hangry, but we made it. This elote is what they call it. It was the best corn I've ever had. It's not focusing, but it's corn. What is it?
Cotija cheese. Cotija.
Okay, that's what it is. It's really good. Are you done and you're tired? We're all ready to go. Oh,
yeah,
goodness. Underpant face?
I made that.
Did you make that for him?
All right, ladies and gents, we got the van and the trailer all packed up, and it is now time to go. We're going home now. You'll never believe what's gonna pass us right here, right now.
April and Davy?
No.
Who?
Nope, even better. It's the Google Street View car! Yeah!
Oh, he was not
It's
in.
rocking out! Look at it. Oh, it's not even up and running. He's just driving around.
Aw, that's funny.
Oh, that's like seeing a unicorn or Bigfoot, Ellie. Can you believe that? I wish the car.
I can't.
You can?
I
believe it?
can't.
Did you see it?
I can't believe it.
Oh, you can't believe it. Neither can I. Well, feast your eyes. There it is. Now you can.
All right, guys. Jared's flipping out.
Is this the greatest day ever?
Now we're driving past a semi-full of
Tesla.
Teslas. You just keep your eye on the road, mister.
Oh my gosh. The only way this could get better is if we saw a truck full of Pacificas and then an Apple Street View car and then like a B-52 bomber, the stealth jet or something like that.
Well, Jared and I are coming home to a little house surprise, and I'm very excited. I'm very excited. I have a little bit of butterflies, and I guess I shouldn't say little. We have been anticipating this for so long, and it makes me miss Penny so much, but she's doing good. We just got some pictures from the people that she's with, and they said that she's doing good.
Oh,
It looks so fresh.
Ellie, look at that.
It looks very fresh. I'm excited. Oh, the neighbor's yard looks really big now because half of ours is half of theirs. Like on the edge. It looks so good.
Oh my gosh, look at the neck.
It's totally different.
Oh
Yay.
my gosh,
Yes, part of our side yard, it's just a little strip, but it connects with the neighbor, so then it makes it really big and open, which is really fun.
Jackson, what do you see?
Grass.
Grass.
Calvarino is asleep still. It looks so good. Oh my goodness.
How awesome is that?
What do you think of this? We have grass. And we're really not supposed to walk on it for a few weeks. Because what it's doing is, see this? You can still see it lift up. They just laid it. So it'll grow and it'll connect to that dirt.
I'm gonna go see the grass. It's a surprise. I'm gonna do this.
Oh, okay. What do you want to do? I don't know. Nobody's...
I'm gonna do this.
Okay. Okay. I don't really know what you're doing, but it's cute. You think that's cool?
Yeah.
I do too. You see it all the way into the backyard? Wow. We'll be really nice to it for a few weeks and then we can run and play on it and go crazy. Okay?
Yeah.
Wow. And to believe you just played in all this dirt all spring and winter long.
And that dirt.
And that dirt, we're gonna put some trees in there. Trees and flowers and bushes.
Yeah.
Close my eyes.
He wants to do the same thing
Oh,
that he did. Okay, follow him.
okay. Am I gonna run into Jackson?
Okay, you're good. Now open your eyes.
Look at it! Oh my gosh. Look at this slip and slide hill.
I know, I'm so excited.
Gosh, look at this.
Well, should we go in the backyard and look? We'll walk up the rocks.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Yeah.
This way, bud. We'll go around the edge.
Okay, let's look at the backyard. Holy crap. What do you guys think?
Oh my gosh.
Wow. It's like a golf course.
We are gonna play so much on our grass, but we have to let it sit. So let's not walk on it, okay?
Calvin's even excited. Look at this. Wow. It's like a totally different house now.
Oh yeah. So there still is a lot of rock, but it will not be as rocky once we get the greenery in. So now that the grass is in, along the house we'll be putting some bushes. We're gonna put a really big tree right there to have this be shaded in the years to come. So we're gonna put some trees in here, and we'll put trees on this part of the yard too, so that there'll be shade and like privacy along the hot tub. So we have a lot of trees and bushes that are gonna go in a few weeks. So once the grass is settled. Dun 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 dun. They did such a great job. And they have this barrier between here and the rock, which will be greenery as well. And it will kind of be a barrier to keep the kids away from like the top of the rocks too. Cool, like right here. We'll put a big thorn bush right here so they don't go too close to the... So trees all along there, shrubbery all up and around right here. Then we'll walk up. I'm sure we'll have like a tree or something up here. Look, there's a butterfly. And then this is just a really narrow strip of grass up at the top. This will be just so fun. Like I think it'd be cute right here to put a little bench. To put a little bench for the kids right there. That way as they're like walking around, they can go and sit on a little bench right there. You know, we probably could have fit a strip of grass up here, but that would have been...
Could have, but it's just so
yeah. There'll be trees up here. What do you think of this? Is this cool? Wow, this looks so cool, guys. Okay, so we're up at the very top. Right here, next year will probably be like a chicken coop. And then this is where the yard starts. Like, look how fun that's gonna be to slide down in the summer. With water, we have tons of grass to run on. That middle section, we'll put a swing set eventually. Good heck, a swing set right here might be really fun.
It might fit perfect.
We were trying to figure out like where are we gonna put a swing set, and actually right here might be kind of fun to swing off and jump into there, you know?
Oh yeah.
That actually might be what we do now that we're up here.
Look how beautiful.
Yay! Looking at the yard at this angle, you can see this like main green section. Like that's where we'll play and run and play baseball, and it's wide and long. And we originally were thinking of putting a swing set like right there where you walk up above the steps and have a swing set and you can swing into the yard. But I think that would be fun.
I like that better up there, and that way we have this wide open space.
For everything.
Yeah, it's just there. Perfect.
Our house is gonna be happy. Having dirt, like, you know, it does.
Yeah.
It's hard on your house having tons of dirt and
Having
rock.
grass makes a huge difference. Don't you think so? Yeah, I agree with everything you just said.
You're so quiet on the camera.
Do you say grass?
The white.
Oh, you see a bike. He sees that blue bike right down
You
there.
want the bike?
Yeah. Okay.
We have grass.
What I want to do now is I want to show you the difference between dirt and grass. So I think we'll go up into the sky. Guys, I can't even tell you like how good this feels. Just visually looking at everything is just so relieving and so amazing. But at the same time, like having this grass like almost brings me to tears. Just seeing it, having it. I cannot wait to take my shoes off and walk in it. It's that exciting. Oh my gosh, finally, just the sense of relief. We've been waiting since October for this grass and it is finally here. Isn't it just stinking beautiful? I could sit out here all day now.
I'm so grateful. I
know.
cannot wait. I don't know if we'll do a patio set this year. We may do that next year. So instead we'll put like our lifetime table out here with our chairs. I can't wait to like eat breakfast out here, to be outside.
Right.
Like our summer, this is where we're gonna be lots. I'm so excited.
Me too. Oh, and you said it best, like I'm just so grateful.
Yeah.
Like I'm just so grateful.
So grateful.
You're so grateful, Jack.
Yeah.
We just got the kids in bed, so I have to be a little quiet. Okay, so there are few things in the world that daily make me off the charts happy. One of them, putting in brand new fresh contacts. The second, putting on brand new socks every single day. I just got some new, this sounds so ridiculous as I'm saying it, but I'm saying it, it's true. Putting on new socks is the best thing in the world. Is there anything like that? I want to know what is like putting in brand new contacts and putting on brand new socks.
Picking a crusty burger.
Picking a crusty booger, but that's not something I can do on my own. Like that just happens sometimes. What can I control? You know, I can't control to have a crusty booger all the time, Ellie. I mean, maybe when you go camping. That's like when you go camping and you have those like nasty black boogers. Those feel really. We're talking too much about boogers now, Ellie. What is the best thing that you can control every single day, like putting on contacts, brand new contacts, or putting on socks? Okay, that's what I want to know. Let me know in the comments below. It is late at night. Ellie and I just finished watching shows. The kids are in bed. And now it is time to say goodbye. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Have a wonderful weekend and we will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.